2017 Audi A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, clock, heated front seats, compass, trip computer, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, leather seats, tachometer, rear fog light, front license plate bracket, body color door handles, leather shift knob, power rear window sunshade. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.